kular hakanigasni. Mangantray hok yaki kamjong. Hado.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapao. Hamokam hilaban pun long e kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School Juwai. Kalapan ko burami khna school ki bapas ba hak Eksamin SSLC but HSSLC belapan benar result dangshan dak embos. Hak ni kasngila sa hilang do menteri ka sarkar jela uba Wailadmiki shela bolong kum kongsan ka district school education officer ka West Giant Hills ka kong Waisa Sumer ka bolong kum ka sembut kongsan open spal yang school ubabu B Richard Yuria bat kwe.
Nobody will remember how you start, but everyone will remember how you finish. That is very much important. So today, I know every time we come here, we always speak about Sir Richard. Because even I'm also in a previous program, I always end up speaking more about Sir Richard because for what he has done. And I think today, I won't do that again. Today is a special occasion for our young achievers, but it is really something with this school that it has made that reputation of coming up every year in the top list. So for this, I would really like to congratulate the principal, under his visionary leadership, the committed teachers who have really given their heart and souls, and you are very fortunate to have a student who are really ready to give what it takes. And at the same time, you have got a supportive parent who work hand in hand with the school. So this is a teamwork, a collective effort from each and everyone. So a big congratulations to all of you once again. Let's give all of you a big round of applause. So please do. You by now, I'm quite sure you already know what you are good at. And once you decide, please work hard. Work in that line. And you have got a supportive environment in this school. We are so fortunate. I think North Liberty have been an example to other schools. How they could manage to maintain academics and excel in sports, which hardly we see. I think my assistant director of sport will agree with me here. Whenever before any major competition, we have to request the principal, we have to request the teacher that please allow your student to come and participate in the school athletic meet or in the Subrato Cup or other major tournament. But it's so nice, I'm so happy to hear that here sports person are getting special privilege, which we know later they will bring pride and laurels, not only to their family, but to the school and to the community.
As we celebrate this milestone, we are also stepping into a new chapter of our life. From here onwards, our lives will be filled with many challenges, and there will be many important decisions we have to make. So I would like to speak about two things, failing and regret. And I hope these are lessons not only for us who are graduating today, but also for our juniors and seniors to carry forward in their own journey. The first thing I want to tell you all is that, moving forward, please take every opportunity you get, even if it is a challenging one. Most of us here, including me, often avoid opportunities because we are afraid of failing or making the wrong decisions. We hesitate because we fear disappointment, mistakes, or judgment from others. But the truth is, success is impossible without failure. The two go hand in hand. In fact, winners often lose more times than losers ever will. And if you do not believe me, I can even give you an example. And with the World Cup around the corner, I thought, why not take a footballer as an example? Do you know who has scored the most penalties in football history? It is Cristiano Ronaldo. But here is something equally interesting. He is also the player who has missed the most penalty. And why is that, you may ask? How can he be the one who scored the most, but also be the one who missed the most? The reason is simple. It is simply because he is the one who has attempted the most. He is the one who took the most chances. To him, failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of success. And I think this is something we all can learn from as we move forward in our lives.
Today isn't just about celebrating an end. It's about launching a beginning. We are gathered here today to recognize what we have accomplished, but more importantly, to look at what comes next. Whatever path you choose, remember this. High school did not define you, it prepared you. To my fellow graduates and juniors, the world out there is big and it can be intimidating, but we are ready because we are a generation that is resilient, adaptable, and deeply connected. We've learned how to navigate change and how to stand up for what we believe in. I want you to leave with one thought, that is, don't be afraid to take action. Every opportunity, every path, and every dream we admire is the result of someone simply deciding to believe in themselves and put in the work. We are going to face many hardships and difficulties in our life, and during those experiences, we may experience failure from time to time. However, it is vital to remember that it is okay to fail, and it is not the end. It costs us nothing to rise, to dust ourselves off, and to try once more with renewed determination. I would also like to express my greatest gratitude to our teachers. Thank you for your unwavering guidance and profound dedication. You constantly went above and beyond the confines of textbooks, ensuring that we receive the best possible education. Your commitment to our learning has truly been inspiring.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.